Hi guys, it's Shipfaced here, and in this video we are going to look at our room at the Voco Southampton?
I think so.
It used to be the Holiday Inn, but it had a revamp last year. We have a main room, or a standard room. So here's the main area.
Super king bed.
That's what they said downstairs. Bathrooms here, and then you have a shower over here. Then in here you have the iron and the iron board and some hanging. And it does look like they do some laundry here as well. But we're only here for one night before our cruise on Virtuosa. Space for suitcases and really big, gigantic TV. Coffee and tea equipment, and also a mini fridge in there.
The aircon is really good here as well. It's very easy to control it, unlike some hotels where they're really confusing. This one's super easy. You know, it's cold, let's put it there. And
then you've got a better table, you've got USB and USB-C plugs, phone. Like we said, whatever size bed this was, what did you say it was?
Super king.
And then you've got the USB-C and USB at that side as well.
Gigantic bed.
You got this. I think this is an aircon.
That's the aircon because I just put it up to 23 to test it, and then this went up to 23.
What?
So it's adjusting itself. Yeah, it's an aircon unit.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, it's yeah, because I've turned it up, so now there's hot air coming from it.
And then here's our view. So you can have a view of the City Cruise Terminal and Horizon Terminal, or this one is the Ocean Terminal, and you can see Britannia there in the background. Yeah, and then you got some seats here, a big table. So yeah, perfect for a pre-cruise hotel. This did cost us £210 for one night.
And the parking is very expensive.
£20 to park in the car park now.
For 24 hours.
For 24 hours. Which if you have a car, that's basically, you have to.
Yeah.
So
it's going to be more expensive to park in the multi-story, so.
But yeah, basically pretty perfect for just what we need for one night. But when they know there's 5 ships in tomorrow, I think Iona, Apex and MSC Virtuosa's in. So it's very good to try and get ahead and book really early.
Yeah.
Because you can sometimes get a better price. But this is perfect, and literally if you could see like outside, it is literally perfect. The City Cruise Terminal is like a 5-minute walk away, if that, and then 10 minutes to the Horizon.
And 5 minutes to the shops, 5 minutes to the restaurants the other way.
Yeah, so this is a great location for cruising in Southampton. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the room, please put in the comments below, or the hotel. Thank you for watching. It's been Shipfaced here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.